Hi, I'm Edoardo Colasanti, educator and creative team member at Sorby London. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use the new Atmos Dry Plus Towel from Diva Pro Styling. The item comes with 9 different attachments, each of them with a specific purpose. So let's get started. So to start with, I'm gonna use the dry nozzle. It will allow us to pre-dry the hair before using the actual attachments. The Atmos Dry Plus Towel comes with 3 different speed settings and 3 different heat settings. I would recommend to not dry completely, up to 80%, so we can finish the 20%. My first tool will be the large brush for big and voluminous hair. My next attachment will be the medium brush, which is good when you want to keep natural volume in the hair, very effortlessly looking hair. The next attachment from the Atmos Dry Plus Towel is gonna be the round thermal bristle brush, which is my favorite one. It's in metal, so that means the heat will stay inside the brush to style and set the hair properly. This is the best brush you can use. The main difference between those two sizes is one is larger than the other one. Why? Because the larger one would be very good when we want to create voluminous hair, and the medium one is actually for natural and effortless looking hair.